Relocating an office can be an exciting yet overwhelming experience. It's not just about packing up computers and furniture. There's also the daunting task of sorting through years of accumulated clutter, outdated equipment, and unwanted items. For businesses in Austin, partnering with a professional commercial junk removal service can significantly ease the transition. Here's how these services can streamline your office move, ensuring a smooth, stress-free relocation process. Efficient removal of unwanted office equipment. As your company grows, it's natural for office equipment and furniture to accumulate. Old desks, chairs, filing cabinets, outdated computers, and broken office machines may take up valuable space. These items can also be cumbersome to move and even harder to dispose of properly. A commercial junk removal service in Austin provides a solution for removing unwanted office equipment quickly and efficiently. These experts have the right tools and experience to safely remove bulky or heavy items, saving you time and effort that could be better spent on other aspects of the relocation. Helps clear clutter for a fresh start. Office relocations are the perfect opportunity to declutter and start fresh in a new space. However, the process of sorting through old documents, broken electronics, or outdated office supplies can be time-consuming. Junk removal services in Austin help streamline this process by handling everything from clearing out unnecessary paperwork to removing outdated furniture. With the help of professionals, your office space can be completely cleared of unwanted items, giving you a fresh slate for organizing and setting up your new workspace. Proper disposal and recycling of items. One of the challenges of office relocations is knowing how to dispose of old office items responsibly. Items like computers, printers, and electronics need to be disposed of in compliance with environmental regulations to prevent pollution and ensure sustainability. Commercial junk removal services in Austin specialize in environmentally friendly disposal methods. They ensure that recyclable items are properly processed and hazardous materials are handled in accordance with local laws. This not only helps reduce your company's carbon footprint but also ensures you're doing your part for the environment. Saves time and reduces stress. The logistics of office relocation can be stressful and time-consuming. From coordinating with movers to setting up the new space, the last thing you want to worry about is hauling away unwanted junk. By outsourcing this task to a professional junk removal company, you can save significant time and energy. These experts can arrive at your office, quickly assess the situation, and remove the clutter with minimal disruption to your daily operations. As a result, your team can focus on what matters most, preparing for the new office and maintaining business continuity throughout the move. Customizable services for your needs. Every office relocation is unique, and so are the junk removal needs of each business. Whether you're moving from a small office or a large commercial building, Austin-based junk removal services offer customizable options to cater to your specific needs. You can choose to have them remove only certain items, such as electronics or furniture, or handle a full-scale clean-out of the entire office. This flexibility ensures that you only pay for the services you need, making it a cost-effective solution. Prevents injury and damage. Moving heavy office equipment or dealing with large, awkward items like filing cabinets can be dangerous without the proper equipment and expertise. Attempting to handle the removal on your own can result in damage to your property or even injury to your staff. Junk removal professionals are trained to handle all types of office furniture and equipment safely. With the right tools and equipment, they can navigate tight spaces and heavy items without causing harm to your property or themselves. This not only prevents potential injury but also minimizes the risk of damaging valuable office assets during the relocation. Enhances your company's image. A clutter-free office space is essential for a professional and polished image. During an office move, the last thing you want is to be left with a mess of old, discarded items in your old office or new location. A junk removal service ensures that your office relocation is tidy, organized, and efficient. Whether you're moving into a new location or vacating an old space, presenting a neat and well-maintained environment reflects positively on your company. It also sets the tone for your employees and clients as they settle into the new office. Conclusion. Office relocations can be complicated, but with the help of commercial junk removal services in Austin, the process becomes far more manageable. From clearing out outdated equipment to ensuring proper disposal, these professionals take the burden of junk removal off your shoulders. By choosing to partner with a reputable service, you can focus on what matters most, successfully transitioning into your new office space. With their efficiency, eco-friendly practices, and customizable solutions, commercial junk removal services are invaluable during office relocations in Austin.